The claimants have won. The government has lost the Article 50 case here in the High Court. The claimants have won. This is an extraordinary legal development. Few people expected this when this court case was first given, but extraordinarily the High Court has decided that Theresa May does not have the Crown prerogative to trigger Article 50 herself, and that we'll see what the remedy is. It could be that he suggests the remedy would be that Parliament has to come forward with a bill, has to pass a bill in the House of Commons and the House of Lords before Article 50 can be triggered. Now, we would suspect that the government will appeal about this. That has been the presumption. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that that's necessarily the case. I've heard some ministers muse out loud that they might not. They might choose to get the legal apparatus going in order to try and trigger Article 50 by March. But at the moment, they have lost. So people will argue, is this the law lords, is this the judiciary being anti-democratic, going against the will of the people as expressed in the referendum? That's an argument you're going to hear a lot today. Others will argue that it's not just about democracy, it's about democracy, yes, and the rule of law. There'll be huge arguments about this now. As it stands, the law says that Theresa May cannot trigger Article 50 herself. She needs Parliament to approve it, and I think that that will mean the House of Commons and the House of Lords. Stay tuned for whether the government will appeal and throw this up to the Supreme Court in December for the mother of all constitutional cases. But a big shock here, and not if you were watching Sky News, I have to say. We did point out that the Lord Chief Justice had said he was baffled by elements of the government's case, but a shock, I think, for many in Westminster, that the government has lost this case. The claimants have won. We'll get more detail to you about what the actual remedy is very soon. Extraordinary development here at the High Court with Theresa May and the government losing.